My AP still hasn't come in yet, and it's been like 4 weeks or something like that, dude. I don't know, but it's been a freaking long time, and I'm getting really butthurt. So we're gonna impulse buy. You know what we're gonna impulse buy? We're gonna go here. Actually, you know what? I already have it in my cart. This shift boot. Look how sick that looks, dude. It's cherry blossom. This is a bunch of cherry blossom, but it will match with the black in my car, and then the red, and then I'm gonna have like a super nice red shift knob, just like this one does. But that's the only thing I'm getting from them because it's quite expensive. So we're gonna impulse buy this because I'm sick and tired of waiting for one item. We ordered my Accessport September 26th. It's currently October 15th. So it's been a total of, is that 20 days? It's almost been a total of 20 days that I've been waiting for my Accessport. And the big thing that ticks me off about it is that it costs a lot of money and they're screwing around. Fast forward to the next day and the Accessport showed up, dude. I can't tell you guys how stoked I am. So what are we doing in today's video? We're gonna be unboxing and installing the Accessport into the MazdaSpeed 3. And I'm going to take a look at it. I'm gonna show you guys around it. I'm not going to do anything with it though, because I wanna save those for other videos, like polls and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I took it apart a little bit and I only saw the Accessport. So let's go ahead and let's unbox. So you get a nice little case, which is pointless. They probably spent a good 50 bucks on making this case. So we got 2 Cobb stickers, which I'll have to use on my mom's Mazda 3. A mount for the Accessport. Oh, sick. So they sent a black faceplate. I thought they sent blue ones, but I'm pretty stoked that's black because that goes with my interior. A handbook, which we'll be reading to install it, and then you get the Accessport itself. So this cord plugs into your car, and then this one is for your computer, which leads us with putting it in the car. Let's go and have some fun. I got big pockets, dudes. It's already got the Cobb maps on here. Safe mode, stage 0, stage 1, 91. Okay, so I was just looking at it. So stage 0 is basically normal, and then stage 1, V260 is basically like stock car. Oh, I guess we gotta save the factory ECU. See you in 30 minutes, guys. Okay, so now a little update. We're flashing the ECU. It just saved the factory ECU, and now it's flashing the ECU. Peep that Mazda 3 though. So now we're just waiting for this. It didn't actually take 30 minutes, it was like 5 minutes, and this is taking like a lot quicker to flash it. Okay, so the AP is good. I got the boost gauge, fuel pump, intake temperature, coolant temperature, knock retard, don't want to read all that. I never want to see that go up. And short-term fuel trim. The idle smells like fuel, which is fine. I can literally hear the intake sucking, so I think in the tune, it's bringing more air in. So skipping to a day after, I've been on the tune for a day now, and how does it feel, you may ask? Well, at first it's kind of weird because I think Cobb uses pretty much like the entire distance that the pedal goes, because normally for stock, for for the ECU tune, obviously they make it so 75% of your throttle down means 100%. In this, definitely when your foot's all the way down, you're basically getting 100% power. So that took me a while to get used to, but after a while, I did some pulls last night, I did some pulls today too, and it does feel like it does go quite a bit. So what does that mean? Well, let's take a look at what everything that this does. So you have your gauges, you can change gauges, obviously you can do data logs, and then you also have a shift light right here that you can turn on in your settings. You can change your units, and you can change your gauge layout. So obviously I have all my gauges and everything set, and then you can do performance, so you can calculate 0 to 60, etc, etc. You can do codes, you can do tunes, you can set your launch control, etc, etc. I'm not going to show you guys how to all do this. I'll do this a different time. I just want to show you guys, what the Accessport is, what you get with it, and if it's worth it. So what does this mean for you MazdaSpeed guys? If your stock, does the Accessport give your stock vehicle more power? And yes, by how much? You know what, I'd probably say maybe 5-10 horsepower, to be honest. I know that's what normally a tune does, with a, for example, if I got the Mazda 3 tuned, I'd make 10 to 15 horsepower. But I mean, with something like this,
Like I said, I could hear the intake, you know, bringing in a little bit more air, and you know, just like all that. So it is pretty cool. It's neat, but like I said, you know, this is only an OTS tuned, so when I actually get flash tuned, you know, things will be different. Once I start putting things in, things will be different. But this is what you get. But otherwise, then that's the installation for your access port. Like I said, and then, you know, I'll probably figure out a way to like hide this cord or something like that. But otherwise, it's nice. It's nice to have. And also, if you guys want to know one thing that I just found out too, the button on top, it turns it off, which is kind of neat. So if you know, have to go somewhere, you don't have to keep unplugging and plugging it back in. But other than that, there you guys have it, the access port. All right, guys, and that's the video for today on the Cobb Accessport. Sorry, it was kind of all over the place. It was recorded over a 3-day time span, because the first day I didn't know what I was recording, and the next day I got my Accessport, and then the next day, you know, just wanted to show you guys what it's bringing to the table. You know, if you guys want to buy one for yourself, then you guys know from a MazdaSpeed 3 perspective or any other perspective that, you know, it does do something for you, even if you're stock. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope y'all have a fantastic day. Keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one.